Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best. Today I am reviewing the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. The 10 ounce version in black. This isn't your average mug. It's smart, app control, and promises to keep your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature for up to 80 minutes. So let's see if it's the Ember Mug 2 looks sleek and minimal. It's got a matey black finish, feels solid in hand, and holds 10 ounce. Just about the right size for most coffee drinkers. On the bottom, you will find the charging contacts that connect to the included coaster. And that teeny LED light on the base, it's not just for style. It tells you the mug status like heating or charging. Overall, the build feels premium and modern. Now on to the smart features. And this is where the Ember mug stands out. You can set your drink temperature anywhere between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the mug keeps it there. The battery lasts about 80 minutes, but if you keep it on the coaster at your desk, it will stay hot all day. It pairs with the Ember app or Bluetooth, where you can adjust the temperature, give your mug a name, and even set presets for drinks like coffee, green tea, or black tea. And yes, it's water resistant, so you can hand wash it easily, but no dishwasher. Okay, in real use, it's honestly pretty impressive. You pour your drink, pick your perfect temperature, and forget about it. No rushing to finish your coffee before it goes cold, and no running back to the microwave for reheat. The mug feels a little heavier than a regular cup, but not in a bad way. More like a high quality product. The only limitation is the size and battery life. 10 ounce isn't huge, and if you're away from the coaster, you will max out at about an hour and 20 minutes. If you're a casual coffee drinker who doesn't mind reheating, maybe not. But if you love your coffee or tea at the exact right temperature and you want that a little luxury in your daily routine, this mug delivers. And that's it. The Ember Mug 2 10 ounce black. Thank you for watching. See you next time.